Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have got an unboxing to be done. It's a purchase from Sephora. So Sephora has been having some of very interesting products nowadays, and so I usually purchase my products from Sephora, especially if they are available online. So let me show you. So what I've got here is the Sephora from exclusive for Sephora. It is by Philosophy. It's the Cleanse Pump and Treat. So in this special packaging, we have got the facial cleanser, the Dose of Wisdom Bouncy Skin Serum, as well as something that is called Hope. So basically, Hope is actually a smooth glow, a multitasking moisturizer. And the other one, a small little tube over here, is a hydraulic glow moisturizer as well. It comes in this very nice packaging, and there is sufficient contents inside for about a month to two usage. And these two, which are both under a 7 ml packaging, this one will be very useful for overseas travel. This is the first time I purchased something from Philosophy, if I'm not wrong, so I'm very interested to try it out. The other one from the brand is also from Philosophy. I mean, this is actually for the eye, the dark eye circle brightening cream. And how many ml is this? This is 15 ml, and I believe it will last me for about 2 months or so. Here's how it looks like. It's a tube. Very nice, simple packaging, because you know sometimes you need simple packaging. And the others I've got here is actually a small per cup dry shampoo. It is very lightweight and I can use it for traveling. Dry shampoo are really useful for traveling, and you can just pop it in a small bag. And this is by Amica. Next one, I have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dew Shield. It's SPF 30. Next one by Amica, Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Treatment. This is about 30 ml. So you actually apply before you sleep, so that your next morning skin will be dewy and moisturized. And next, I have a detox shampoo from OWA. So I have tried this shampoo before, and I think it's really good because it keeps your scalp oil free. I would say not exactly oil free, but it sort of like reduce the amount of oil that is being produced on your scalp, and I think it keeps the hair less oily towards the end of the day. And so I would recommend this brand, and here I've purchased it again. Next one from Pixi. This one is actually a sample. This is Pixi Glow Tonic. I must say I've tried this before as well. When you first apply it, it will give you quite a tingly feel, somehow itchy and slight maybe 5% pain, which what I believe is it's working, and that's why I am willing to try it again, because after about 1 month's use, my skin sort of like got smoother, and I thought it works. But I'm not sure about the color. Do you think this color is a little too orange? What do you think? Is it a little too orange? Is it even expired? Because there are quite a number of occasions where I receive expired items from Sephora online, and this to me, the color just doesn't look right. Let me know. I would expect something that is less orangey in color, so this could be an oxidized product. Let me know if this is the right color. You can do in the comment section below. And there you have it, guys. These are all my items from Sephora. If you like such a video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the like button for more unboxing videos to come. Alright, bye guys.